Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up your Thinkorswim, so let's do it. Before we start today's lesson, I would like to share with you guys this QR code that I created so we can help small businesses to survive during this pandemic. With that being said, let's begin. Okay, so now that we're on Thinkorswim, we can start setting up. So just follow me. So first of all, click right here on chart settings, click to overlap volume, show trades, go to price axis, 10% up, 10% down, go to time axis, 100 bars to the right, appearance, fuel up to green, background color to black, no grid, and hit apply. Now we're gonna put the indicator. So click right here in edit studies, and for this video I'm gonna be using MACD, just an example. MACD, double click, apply, and that's it, perfect. Now we're gonna click right here in active trader so we can buy and sell stocks. Okay, and that's it. That's how you set up one chart setup. Now if you want a more charts like the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the 15 minute, then just click right here, select 2x3, and then deactivate the active trader and link the red in all of the boxes so it fills all of the boxes like this. Okay, perfect. So in this one we're gonna deactivate the chart like this so it turns out black. So in this one we're gonna put the active trader, in this one we're gonna put the level 2, and this one we're gonna put the news, the live news. And in these charts right here we're gonna set up like just as we did before, the same thing. Grid. Okay, perfect. So in this one I want to put the 1 minute chart, in this one I usually put the 5, and this one I usually put the 15 minute, and that's it. Now you can adjust as you wish, as you want, so it looks cleaner, better, and that's pretty much it. So if you want to get rid of this, the gray option right here, just click right here at the top and disable this box, show sidebar in cells, disable, and it looks better. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next video.